Hi! Most of us love to munch on fried peanuts or beemuk nelakarlo as it's called in Konkani. Let's watch how to make it at home. There are two ways to fry them. Cook some peanuts in water for an hour or two till they swell up. Drain the water and let the peanuts become almost dry. Drop them in the hot oil carefully. You can see them rise to the top as they get cooked. Reduce heat and wait till the bubbles have nearly subsided and you get a strong aroma of the fried peanuts. Drain out the peanuts and keep them aside. Frying the raw peanuts, drop them directly in the hot oil. Carefully. Keep stirring and watch for color change. Now reduce heat to low. This is a little tricky. You have to keep watching to see the peanuts getting just right. A strong aroma is the correct time to remove them from oil. It's best to remove the peanuts when slightly underdone because they keep on cooking even after they are removed. When the peanuts cool, they'll be rightly cooked and flavorful. Keep the curry leaves and spices ready for mixing. Fry the curry leaves to a crisp. Now mix the spices. Now add the spices to both batches of the fried peanuts. Toss well. Now they are ready to be served.